Hello my lovely beauties, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you a cream review from Pond's. Watch on for more details. Pond's Gold Radiance Youthful Night Repair Cream. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's the packaging? The cream comes in a tub with a golden cap having a transparent border. The shape of the tub is very cute, like that of a dewdrop. Inside there is another plastic lid and the cream is pale white in color. And the product consistency of the cream is a nice and fine, like an average cream with a mild fragrance, but one thing worth mentioning is the rapidness with which it gets absorbed into the skin. You apply it and massage it for a few seconds and the cream would disappear, leaving behind on your face very fine micro-sized particles of gold. It kinds of adds a shimmer to your face. You won't feel any heaviness on your skin and neither would you feel that you have applied something until you look into the mirror. Those teeny little gold particles that the cream leaves behind makes your face shimmery to some extent. But do not worry, nobody would get to know. They can only be noticed if somebody looks at you very carefully. This was about my experience on what I felt after the application, but what about the effects next morning? This product is truly amazing. I don't know how the gold particles which can be seen on the skin itself are acting, but they are actually showing the results with regular use, and in merely 10 days I could notice freshness on my skin. I'm not saying that it made me an angel within these days, but yes, it took care of all the dullness on my skin. My skin looks glowing and happy and soft than it used to be. Frankly speaking, I am loving the product, but let me also tell you that it did not reduce any esters. I don't know why, but whenever I buy a cream, I always have it in mind that it will work on the scars. Overall, I think this is worth a try if you are looking for something new and interesting. So positive side of this cream is microfine gold particles does not cause any greasiness, gets absorbed rapidly the way it works. Cons of Pond's Gold Radiance Youthful Night Repair Cream. Though I did not find any cons, but I would say that the tub is heavy and cannot be considered as travel friendly. And the product quantity is 50 gram. So would I recommend Pond's Gold Radiance Youthful Night Repair Cream? Yes, of course, you would definitely love it. And this cream is suitable for all skin types, but before you use this product, patch test is needed. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, share with your family and friends.